Speaking of a bubble might pop, the Tesla bubble might finally have popped. Tesla is the first EV success, and I have proof that Jeremy Financial Education is short selling Tesla stock right now.
It's by far and away the highest price I've ever paid for Tesla shares, and it's not even close. This is by far and away the most I've ever paid for the stock. $214.92? Yeah.
Maybe because of this, in Chicago, where Playboy is founded, those Tesla supercharging stations, the ones are widely accepted by the traditional automakers like Ford, GM, Honda, Toyota, and Rivian. They're not working.
And other supercharging stations around the Chicago area.
Man, this is crazy. It's a disaster, seriously.
With temperatures falling into the negative double digits, these charging ports have stopped charging, leaving many Tesla owners stranded here in long lines since Sunday.
Nothing, no juice, it's still on 0%. And this is like 3 hours this morning being out here, after being out here 8 hours yesterday.
Has it been charging?
No, not at all.
It just isn't working.
At all. It's just frozen, and so I'm now getting it towed to the Tesla service center because that's my only option at this point.
Adding to their frustration, they say, is that they're getting no help when they call Tesla for assistance.
No response from Tesla. We have been suffering since yesterday afternoon.
These are unusually cold temperatures, but do you find this acceptable?
No, not at all.
People are trying to charge their cars and they're not working. What? Just imagine when it's negative double digits outside and you're freezing, it's snowing, your Tesla is low on juice. You go to the best charging network, the Tesla Supercharger Network, the most widespread and recognizable charging network in the United States, and it doesn't work. And your Tesla can't go anywhere. It would be a nightmare. What do you think about EV now? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So Jeremy is telling you he is buying the stock at 214, but he is actually shorting Tesla right in front of your eyes. It says short right here. I am not kidding. Take a look at this. All of his previous positions, except for this one, are longs. Only this one said short. He did admit that he is hedging Tesla stock right now. And he said he is bearish on Tesla stock. One of the reasons why Tesla has been so successful as a company is because of Tesla stock hype from 2020 to 2021. As Elon sold more and more of his shares and diluting his shareholders, raising cash to pay down debt, which made Tesla's balance sheet the best in the entire auto industry. Yet Tesla stock never returned to all-time high of a level as of recent years, mainly because of the Fed's interest rate decision, partially because too many retails and Wall Street is already in the stock. Who else is buying? Even Jeremy is short selling. The hype has quickly faded by the cold hard reality of people freezing and failing to charge their Teslas, or Tesla spontaneously ignite and temperature of the cabin quickly rising. The hot leather heated seats exceeding the melting point of that leather wrapped steering wheel.
Model S Plaid burst into flames earlier this week while the owner was driving it.
I'm not bullish on Tesla, by the way, in the short term, meaning the next 3 to 6 months. And keep in mind, I do have a hedge on for Tesla that basically is betting on the downside of Tesla also. So at some point, I'm going to take profits on that probably in the next 3 to 6 months at some point.
Tesla, as an AI chip stock, yes, they do make their own AI chips. Elon Musk said that Tesla will spend billions to build a dojo, AI, and supercomputer, which Tesla is building to boost its work on autonomous driving, could add $500 billion to the company's value by providing a huge advantage in car making, robo-taxis, and selling software to other businesses. Dojo will help accelerate the development of full self-driving and by enabling Tesla to scale up the number of real-world driving videos to train Tesla's FSD neural net software. Dojo has been specifically designed for AI machine learning and for training users video data coming from Tesla's 300 million plus EVs. This supercomputer will help Tesla branch into other industries where computer vision is critical, including healthcare, security, and even aviation. Recently, as Hertz decided to sell a third of its global electric vehicle fleet, citing weaker demand for its electrified rentals. UAW resulting in higher wages for Tesla factory workers. Armed conflict in the Red Sea caused Tesla to suspend car production at Berlin factory due to a lack of parts. Not to mention, the mainstream media has been shit on Elon recently, talking about how BYD just beat Tesla. Overall, inflation and negative news are pushing Tesla stock price down. It just broke below 200-day moving average. So it creates a good opportunity for entry at the bottom, if you can catch it. I do own Tesla in my Art of Investing account. I will definitely add it if it drops significantly in 2024. Ted wants to buy more Tesla stock if it drops under $150. How many do you want to buy, Ted? You want to buy a lot? Oh, he says it's a good time to get in and buy more if it drops under $150. Okay, Ted, we will do that. We will buy more shares if it drops under $150. We'll go have these, okay? Okay, sounds good. Oh, is that right, Ted? They're printing a lot of money in China? So Tesla's going to benefit from that too? Wow. So Tesla's going to benefit because China's printing the money. They got their money machine working. Oh, you want to order a money machine, Ted? We will try to order one, okay? He wants to order a money machine because he wants to buy a lot of Tesla stock. That's a deal, Ted. We shook on it. Okay, so that wraps up the video today. So AI and robots are taking over, and you need to hop on board. The ship is leaving soon. So when the price drops, you want to hop on board and you want to buy some AI chips.
Subscribe, like, turn on those notifications,